had my feet in the sand, like a bag of crisp and.
I'm pumped up, bitch, I'm smoking on some gasoline, she like me.
I was munching on that dick, like my mom, when she was at Dick Hands. Last night I had sex with your mother. I forgot to use a condom.
What? That's not the lyrics.
In 9 months, you'll expect a new brother.
That's not. It's like that. I had sex with your mother. I didn't wear rubber in 8 months. I would never. Brother.
Who are you pointing to right now?
What does it look like?
You're pointing at me?
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
Smoking all this loud. I'll be higher than loud. Oh, fuck. Is that me? Ew, I look like a fucking retard.
I don't know. She looked pregnant last
Oh, I'm
night.
down. I'm down for her to get pregnant. Our teacher's pregnant, guys. Live news, live on vlog. Our teacher's pregnant.
She hit him.
I missed it. I missed the live assault. Gabby hit me. Smoking all this loud, Abby.
I don't know how to read.
We've had her twice.
Sir!
We've had her fucking twice.
I don't know how to read French. Elvis is gonna read for me. Isn't that right, Elvis? Oh, shit. Elvis, did your nuts drop yet?
No, you can't end the video. You can't.
Guys, we can't lie like this. It's not right.
What do you, we're always in partners every single time we've worked.
That is
Which
true.
is a total of 2 times, but like still.
David, magic trick. David.
Oh.
Every time I'm Lucas, I see you working.
Sir, what made you win?
Okay, Brandon, give us some wise words of wisdom.
How are you, Jess? How are you? Page 1.
My video is gonna get demonetized because of that. Thank you very much. I'm not gonna make any money, and money's the only thing that matters. Go. Oh, Dexter.
Oh,
Yeah.
Look at this photo. You ready for this shit right here?
I'm not ready. Where is it? Where's the flag?
Right over here. Wanna see magic trick?
I checked that shit.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Yo, Jeremy. Alright.
Étudier pour ses
Is
examens.
that Shark Boy in my book?
You're a bitch. Look, right there. Let me try to write backwards.
I smoke backwards a lot of stuff. Gang?
Well, what's after that?
Shark.
Oh! Look at that, bro. I just wrote shark in reverse. You know what's my favorite movie ever?
What?
Spy Kids 3.
Spy Kids 3 is
They
like
were
the
doing the
best.
game simulator. It's fucking lit.
Which was the... Yeah, that was the shittiest one ever, actually.
The CGI was incredible.
No.
You want to see a magic trick? I'm gonna make the.
I was searching around the internet.
Oh my gosh. Okay, listen.
No,
I know you're curious.
I was searching around the Mom. I was searching around the internet, and all of a sudden, I was downloading this thing, and I got a computer virus.
I want to see it. Show me what you were downloading.
I deleted the virus. Oh my God, Mom! I had a computer virus, and I got scared that I had the virus. And when I was getting out of my chair, my pants were slipping, and I was pulling them up and getting back on the chair. I got scared, and my pants slipped down a little, and I was pulling them up. Mom, I'm telling the truth. I am serious. I'm serious. I have a virus.
We got my boy Flowmaster. We got my boy Milton Matasi just playing an intense game of the balls of the baskets. It's a different day. New pants, as you see. I think I'm gonna die.
I had a bit too much salmon this morning for breakfast, so you know, don't eat pink salmon, guys. It's a good tip.
Pink.
Yeah, pink.
Any wise words of wisdom from the vlog master himself?
Gotta go, guys. Gotta go.
In a second, sir. The wise words of wisdom only from Vlogmaster's mouth.
Boring.
up, dog? We're doing a science lab with fucking Nathan and Jason. I'm about to shove this poison in my mouth. Let's go. Alright, man.
Hey, are you at the movies?
Nah,
I could have sworn we were having sex in the back.
wasn't me.
I'm holding your hand right now!
Nah, dog, that's not me.
Johnny, are you serious? This is not funny.
Elmo.
Johnny, are you serious? This is not funny. John, I'm scared. He's coming back. He says we're going to his house.
Okay.
What's poppin'? Who is this?
Whomst.
Okay.
This isn't even a group message.
I'm high.
Someone call the police. He tapped my phone.
Nah, who this?
Good job.